Hello Internet! Today's episode is about turning a bowl of apple tree wood. During the last winter storm, a few old apple trees for my family fell over and I was able to secure some wood. The wood is still very fresh and actually still green wood and has to be stored for a long time to dry. Nevertheless, I would like to turn some pieces out of the wood . In this video I will make a bowl of apple tree green wood. Here I start with the first cut with a chainsaw and end with a finished piece. In one of the upcoming videos I will prepare some of the pieces by rough turning and will put them on the stock for drying. In one of the upcoming videos I will prepare some of the pieces for drying and will point out some of the issues around rough turning and how to prevent cracking of the green wood. But this is content for a later video. Today I will focus only on turning a bowl of apple wood. For the coarse work on the outside, I used my roughing gouge. To clean up the surface and for detailed work, I used the spindle gouge as well as my bowl gouge. Especially the surface quality left by the bowl gouge was very good and less sanding was required. The bowl gouge that I used has a traditional grind and can be used for the interior and exterior of a bowl. I find it very interesting that during turning, many decisions have to be made that can't be changed later on. For example, the final shape of the workpiece often relies on choices depending on the wood condition or the wood, or let's better say the grain structure. This is, in my opinion, a very exciting process. As I edited this video, I realized that I could have left some of the natural knotholes and bark pieces in the workpiece. So I would have used the imperfections as a design feature. Well, this is an experience I made with this workpiece, and maybe I can do it in a different way next time. clean up and finalize the bottom, I used my heavy-duty scraper, and the outcome was a very nice, flat and clean surface. There was a small crack in the end grain, and later on I treated it with CA glue and let it dry overnight. I hope this will prevent further cracking of the wood, but I have to see. Starting with the 60 grit sandpaper and continue it with the 100, 180, 220 and the 300 grit sandpaper. For surface treatment, I used a commercial non-toxic beeswax mixture. Keep in mind, there are US and European standards that can help you to choose the right paint, wax or oil for finishing wood. For example, there are European standards or also similar standards from the US Consumer Product Safety Commission. I will add a link to some example standards in the video description. Ask your local hardware store for assistance in choosing the right color, wax or oil that suits your requirements. I'm satisfied with the result of the bowl, especially since I've not been long into wood turning. I hope you like the video and it contains some interesting impressions or aspects for you. If so, please push the like button. I will appreciate any questions or suggestions in the comment section and will try to answer them if possible. Soon there will be more content on woodworking, wood turning, DIY projects and more. Therefore, feel free to push the subscription and bell button to follow my channel. So, this is the end for today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.